Yeah, do it. Yes, please.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మాస్టర్ గారు. మాస్టర్ గారు
Yes, Ashivardhan.
The meaning of critical angle?
Critical angle means what can I say? The angle of projection for which the velocity will be minimum actually.
Means normal angle only, no, sir?
Yeah. I mean, this is the main condition. The minimum speed is the condition actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will just give you one hint here, so that you can remember this thing. This is a very interesting trick that you can apply by remembering one formula actually. So U is equal to generally root under of G into Y plus root under of X square plus Y square. Okay, try to remember this formula. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
And tan theta also we can write, that is y plus root under of x square plus y square divided by x. So these two things are really helpful in terms of problem solving.
Okay, sir.
So whenever you see minimum speed and critical angle, apply these two formula bluntly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pritam?
Sir, can you say what is tan theta, sir?
Tan theta, yeah, theta is the angle of projection, na?
No, the formula which you told, sir.
Y plus
X.
root under of x square plus y square divided
Sir.
by x.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Akshari.
So good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Sir, in sixth question, at height 1.5 it is 20 meter per second, or initial velocity is 20 meter per second.
Suppose sprinkles water at 20 meter per second. If your height is 1.5. So you are holding the pipe now. So
Sir.
at a height of 1.5 meter only, the velocity is 20 meter per second.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Shashivardhan.
Sir, the minimum minimum velocity of the mango is 30 meter per second, sir.
Yeah, right. Correct. Akshari.
Sir,
Yeah.
sixth answer, is it route 120 meters?
Sixth answer.
Yes, sir.
Sixth answer, Akshari, is given to be. It is given to be 4 root under of 430 pi meters square.
Okay, sir.
You first calculate the range only, na? You have to calculate the range from here. Once you calculate the range, pi into r square is the answer. Right? Okay. Snehita.
Sir, I think seventh one answer is 53 degrees.
So, yeah, tan inverse 4 by 3. Correct.
Eighth one 4H.
Tan inverse of 4 by 3. That is seventh one. What is eighth one?
4H.
Eight. No, Snehita, it is given 2h.
Okay, sir. Ninth one 15 degree.
Ninth one is 15 degree or 75 degree. Both can be answered.
Okay, sir.
Complementary angles, no?
Hmm.
Yeah, right. Fine. Akash?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I got answer for first one as u is equal to 30 meter per second.
Correct only, correct.
Sir, and for sixth answer, I got pi into 1600.
Which one? For the sixth one?
Yes, sir.
Sixth one, I think this is the answer given. Anyway, I mean, I told you the technique, na? This is the technique actually.
Sir, I got range as 40 meters, sir.
Fine, no problem, no problem. Calculation may be wrong here. That we are not worried of.
And for seventh one, sir, I got theta is equal to 53 degrees.
Yeah, tan inverse 4 by 3 is that only.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, right. Vignesh?
Sir, fifth one 30 meter per second and 15 degrees.
Yeah, okay.
And seventh one is tan inverse of 4 by 3.
Yes, correct only.
Eighth one 2H.
812H, perfect.
Okay, sir. Ninth one doing.
Ninth one 15 degree or 75 degree? Both
Doing,
both
sir.
answer. Okay, do it. Shrutik?
Sir, sixth one, what is the horizon? What is the angle with which the water or sprinkles?
Tell me. Tell me once again.
Sir,
What you are telling? Tell me
is
once.
the water is sprinkled vertically or horizontally, sir?
Take it vertically. Take it vertically only.
In question they didn't give.
Vertically you cannot give actually. Sprinkles water this, and so you have to take it horizontally. Sorry. Sixth one you take it. The pipe is horizontal. So here I will write. Take the pipe horizontal. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Maybe that's why the conflict in the answer is coming, because of this point is not clarified. Yes, Akash?
Sir, for fifth answer question, sir, what should be the critical angle, sir?
Yeah,
Should we apply a tan theta formula, sir? This one.
This one only you have to apply.
Sir, okay. So the
You-
angle we will get will be the whole angle, sir.
Theta is equal to, it will be tan inverse of 3. That is the answer that we will get.
Sir, for fifth answer.
For fifth one, yes.
Okay, sir.
Now go for the 10th, 11, 12 and 13 quickly. Yes, Divit?
Sir, I am getting 8th one as R is equal to 4H, sir.
Which only is the answer?
Can you explain?
Simple formula. If you apply the
Can you
formula,
explain one, sir? Yes, sir. R is equal to U square by G.
R is equal to
Maximum, no, sir.
maximum distance through which it can jump. That means what? Range is maximum.
Yes, sir. Maximum U square by G.
So R is equal to how much?
U square by G.
So that is equal to 2 into U square by 2G. That is equal to 2H.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Pritam?
Sir, 10th one I'm getting as third car.
10th one you are getting as third car. Correct answer. Very good. Shashivardhan?
Sir, 10th one, third car, sir.
Yes, correct. Very good. Rishikesh? Rishikesh?
Sir, ninth one, 15 degrees or 75 degrees, sir. 10th
Correct
one,
only. Yes.
fall on third car.
Yes, correct. Very good. Rahul?
Sir, 10th one is hitting the third car.
Yes, correct only. Shruti?
The 10th one is third card, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Snehita?
Sir, 10th one, third car, sir. Sir, 8th one, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Range is maximum means U square sine 2 theta by G is maximum, no, sir.
Range is maximum means theta is equal to 45 degree. That's it.
Then H will be U square by 4G, no, sir.
No. H is equal to U square sine square theta by 2G. So it will be simple U square by 2G. Sine square theta, sine square 45 degree.
1 by 2, no, sir.
Oh, you are asking from that point of view?
Hmm.
Oh no, you see here. See, they are basically asking this comparison here. You just try to understand. See, this is H now. Actually, this is, there is nothing to deal with this. Even maximum or whatever they give now, this is height H, right? So whatever may be the circumstance, this is always going to be R by 2.
Okay, sir.
For a projectile, whatever may be the angle of projection, this relation is always going to be maintained. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Chalo guys, proceed for 11, 12 and 13. Oh, so many hands. I'm so happy to see you people are doing this. Vignesh?
Sir,
Tell me.
10th one, third car.
Yes.
And 11th one, first one is 10 root 10 second time of flight.
10th one, first one is?
11th.
Root 10
seconds.
Correct answer. Root 10 second. Correct answer.
And second one, 30 root 10 meter.
Second one, y is equal to 50 meter, minus 50 meter it is coming. And x equal
Yeah,
to 30. X, correct. 30 root 10 x. Yeah, correct only.
Third one, 10 root 10 meter per second.
Third one, 10. Third one, what they are asking? Third one, they are asking velocity of the package at the time of striking the ground. 10 root 19.
Root 90.
Root 19, 19.
I got 10 root 10, sir.
You just check, now it is simple. This will be root under of V0 square plus 2GY, no?
Yes, sir.
So V0 square is how much? V0 square is that 30 square, 900. Plus this is 1000. So that only 10 root 19 is coming only, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And fourth one, 10 root 115.
10 root, tan inverse of how much it is coming? Because
Displacement, no, sir.
which one? Which one?
11th one, displacement, last question.
Fourth one. The answer is given 107.2 meter.
10 root 115 it is coming, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. It will be like that only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Pritam?
Sir, 11th one. First one I got as root 10.
Yeah, correct.
One 30 root 10.
Yeah, correct. That is X value.
Yes, sir. Third one I had 1900, root 1900.
Correct only. Correct.
The fourth one, just a second, sir.
Okay. Nikita?
Sir, first one root 10 second, then
Perfect.
second one 30 root 10.
Yes.
The fourth one I'm getting 10 root 115. Third one I'm having little confusion, sir. I'll do again.
Third one is easy only, na? Just apply this. V square is equal to V naught square plus 2GY. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Remaining all answers are correct only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Rahul?
Sir, 11th one, A is root 10 seconds.
Yeah,
B is
done.
equal B is that 30 meter per seconds.
Yes.
And C doing, sir.
Okay, fine. Yes, Harshavardhan?
Sir, can you scroll the page a little bit up, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Rishikesh?
Sir, 12th one height is 10 now, sir.
12th one?
Height is
12th
10 now.
one. No, it's a 600 meter.
600.
Yeah, just check it once. 12th one is coming to be, H is coming to be 600 meter. Yes, Pushkar?
I want to take screenshot of the questions.
Question, okay, just wait. Pritam?
Sir, 12th one is the range 1 kilometer or else the distance between the bullet and the ground, sir.
Round distance of, this is distance, not horizontal distance.
Okay.
Yes, Akash?
So in 12th question, can we take the distance is equal to half of the range?
No.
Say why, sir?
Because it is, you just draw the diagram, you will get clarity.
Okay, sir.
Vignesh?
Sir, 12th one I getting 600 meter.
Perfect answer.
Okay, sir.
So this is the diagram of the 12th question. This is D basically. This is H. So this distance will come to be root under of D square minus H square. This is X value. I hope you got it now. For everyone, clarity is there now. Yes, Rishikesh? Shrutik?
11th one, 4th one, displacement under root 11,500, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Pritam? So for this is question number 12. So for 12, what we are doing, see, suppose we can write vt is equal to x. So v into root under of 2h by g. X is how much? Root under of d square minus h square. You solve for it, you will get h is equal to 600 meter. Akshari,
Sir, for 13, will we get V naught equals to 13?
for 13 1 v naught equal to, I mean, this will come in terms of 15
In terms
degrees.
of
What the answer is they are giving, actually I will show you here so that you get clarity. They are asking range first, na?
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So R is given as 2 v naught square sine 15 degree divided by g. This is the answer given for the first one.
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vignesh,
Sir, same I got, sir, for 13th.
okay, fine, done. Second one, 13 second part. Yeah, okay. Yes, Akshari.
Sir, is second part 2 root 2 V naught sine 15 by G.
Excellent. Very good.
Sir, for first part we have used the formula R equals to 2 U square sine alpha minus beta cos alpha by G cos beta.
Exactly. Cos square beta.
Okay, sir.
Shrutik,
Sir, for 12th one, is the velocity final velocity or initial velocity, sir, for the gun 400 root 3? Hello?
initial.
Initially, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in question they gave like it will strike with that 400 root 3.
No, so if the bullet strikes the ground at a distance d from the gun. Right. Sorry. It's a final velocity. Right. It's a final speed.
Then how to do, sir? We should find the angle of and we should do, sir.
Why it is, let me check once. What is the given? Let me read the question. Soldier fires a bullet horizontally from this. If the bullet strikes the ground distance from the gun with the speed of this, find the height of the mountain. So as per that, though, they are
You will explain differently.
in this question, actually the language they have jumbled up something. If you take this v as the initial velocity only, then only you will get the answer. Okay. Or even
time I did that on it. I'm
Just
not
to-
getting answer.
no problem. Na? Even if it is the velocity with which it is striking the ground, we can do it easily. See, this velocity v will be equal to root under of vx square plus vy square, right? If it is projected horizontally, we can write vx square. Vy square means root under 2gh. So it would have come v naught square plus 2gh. In that case, this v naught has to be supplied. Or v is given, GH from there you can calculate this value V naught now.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the question? V is
Yes, sir.
provided to be 400 root 3. GH provided. From that V naught will come. Then you substitute this V naught value over here.
Okay, sir.
Right? Understood?
Okay.
Yeah, right. Akshari?
Sir, for 11th one, can we use the formula y equals to gx square by 2ux square? Taking
yes.
y as
Ah,
height.
yes. Why can't? See, for any projectile, the common form of projectile is applicable. Right? So you have to be just careful with the values. Whether you have enough values given in the question to fit the equation or not.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay. Yes, Divit?
Sir, I got 13th one. Range is equal to 2 V naught square sine 15 degrees by G and time. Same
Yeah, right.
answer, sir.
Right. Very good. Carry on. Vignesh. Chepura Babu. Nikita.
Sir, I forgot to lower.
Okay. Nikita?
Sir, I got 13th one and 12th one. We have to do u into root 2h by g like that only.
See, the sense of the question is saying that this is the speed with which it is hitting the ground. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So from this equation, we have to find out the u value, then substitute.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Pritam?
So 13th one T I'm getting as V naught into root 3 minus 1 by G.
No. 2 root 2 V naught sine 15 degree by G.
That's what, sir.
You put the value. Sine
yes,
15
yes,
degree. Okay, fine. Done. No issue. Akash?
So in 12th question, sir, they are saying that if the bullet strike the ground at distance 1 kilometer, sir, this means the horizontal distance is 1 kilometer.
No. I have already shown in the diagram. You check the diagram. I have shown the diagram. You check the screen. I have already shown it. Can you see? This is I am saying as D.
So, but they are saying that the bullet strikes the ground at distance of 1 kilometer.
Yeah, from here at a distance of this.
So not from ground, sir.
No, they are not mentioning the horizontal distance. Otherwise, it would have been written horizontal distance.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Snehita?
So now, as you said, the distance means from that point to this point. Why can't we take the line of the projectile
Along this?
along the dot?
And then also they will mention that is the arc distance.
Oh.
It has to be mentioned properly. Yeah? Distance means these 2 point connecting straight line. If they are mention arc distance is this one. If they mention horizontal distance, then horizontal one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Shruti?
Sir, I got 13th one, but 12th one. I got 13th one, but once explained 12th one, sir. Not getting.
12th one I shared.
Once explained clearly, sir. That
I explained clearly only. I told you that there are two different meaning of this question. You know, the thing is that never solve a question to match the answer. There is no guarantee that they have given the correct answer. I said you take two meanings. Suppose if I go by the meaning of this question, it is saying that it is striking the ground with a velocity of this. So if the bullet is striking the ground with this velocity, this is V out here. What V I can write? This is root under of, if it is projected with speed U, this is U square plus 2GH. So here I can write U is equal to root under of
Sir,
Right. Sorry, yeah, it's power off actually. Okay. So
Yeah.
I was saying here that this is 400 root 3 square minus 2 into
2GH.
yeah 2g into h value is also provided, right?
Well, not provided, sir. H value.
H value is not given.
Yes, sir. That one.
Then only it is very difficult. We cannot do it like this. So even if that is the meaning of the question, so this is u, then we have to come across this u into root under of 2h by g is equal to root under of d square minus h square. So even we can get it from here. You check, it will come in terms of h. Here is h there, and d is actually provided, so we can find out the value of h. Correct? If we go as per the statement of the question, I hope you are getting my point, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Yes. So I will do one thing quickly. I will just show you the third bit so that you can practice it for today. Right now? Is done. Is it okay now? Are you getting on the full screen? Yes, Pritam?
Sir, 20th one, last one can you say, sir? After in 30 degrees, that one.
Which one? Which one?
20th one, sir. Last one, last line.
20th one, okay. I will crop it a little. Wait. Yeah. Is it okay now? Clear? So that's it. That's it for today. Okay. We cannot extend it further. I have a recording. I have to rush right now. Yes, Rahul?
Sir, wait for 2 minutes, sir. I'm doing 14th one.
I cannot wait. I have to rush for the recording actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
You finish them while at home.
Evening.
Yeah.
Evening, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo.
Bye, sir.
Bye everyone. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.